Boom, baby. Back at the Allegheny River. I fished here last week and did really well, caught a couple giants. Been fishing for about half hour and man, it just seems way different. The water's a lot dirtier for no reason. We haven't had a lick of rain. I don't know if this water turned over. I've never experienced a turnover in a river before. The water's a lot colder as well, so it's about 3 degrees colder. We've had some warm weather. A buddy of mine wanted to come out here and just fish with me. We might fish half a day here and go to another pool and fish half a day, so we'll see. Finally. Jeez. About time to get this skunk out of the boat. It's just really cold. I think it's just gonna be one of them days until this fog burns off, the sun pops out to get these fish to really start eating. It's just really, really cold this morning. There's one. That's a decent one. Getting frustrated. I caught a good many fish there last week off that riprap. I was getting a little discouraged. I didn't get a bite. That's a 16-inch keeper, 2.5 pound. Good one. That's a 3.5, maybe close to 4. Choked. good one. 3.5, 3 3/4. See if we can do that again. Bites in here, like back to back to back. All big keepers. I caught one right back there. The one I lost was a good one. Yeah, let's see if we can make it 4 right here. Boom, baby. Barely hooked. That's another 3 3/4, 4-pounder. That's 2 giants right here. Another giant, and they are just choking that crankbait. Oh my goodness. Kind of sucks because it's hard to get it out of. Another good one. Close to 4 pound this one. It's a good thing when you lose track of it. That one's 3 3/4. That's a solid fish. He's really heavy. That's just a big old slab. He's probably almost 4. That's a really good fish. That's not very long, but he's fat. That's how I like my fish. That's an eating machine. That's a 15-inch, but probably 2 3/4. Yeah, I don't think he's 3 pound, but man, is he thick. Just out here fishing a rock pile offshore. Same crankbait, just that DT4. Rock pile's in about 4 foot of water. It's 8 foot all around it. I'm just throwing that DT4 all around that rock. What a difference from fishing up at the dam. Ouch. You know, those fish were freaking giant. Then come down here and we're gonna fish for some pitch squeaks. But I get bored. I like fishing new stuff. I can't sit in one spot very long. Up there in those rocks. He was up there, way up there where you should catch a bass. So I had enough of this pool. I'm gonna load up and put the boat, you know, we're gonna drive about 20 minutes and put the boat back in the water, and I'm gonna go fish another pool that I'm not very familiar with. Well, so we're on a new pool. I'm not very familiar here at all. I've been here one other time, just messing around. See what happens. we're not gonna get skunked on this pool. I really didn't even think that was a smallmouth. It's actually bigger than I thought it was. I figured whatever was pecking me was little. I mean, it's little, but I thought it would have been even smaller than that. That's your typical Three Rivers bass there. Well, I had enough fun. I'm gonna head home. About an hour and a half to get home, clean off the boat, get ready to go to work tomorrow, which sucks.